Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about an interesting topic, how to know your skin tone and colors that suit your skin. So you see how sometimes you have clients that want you to just sew something that will pop on their skin. So you need to know the skin tone of your client to be able to choose the right colors for them. Okay, so everybody falls under three skin tones. We have the warm, the neutral, and the cold. How to know if you have a cool skin tone? Ask yourself these questions. Are your veins blue? When you look in the mirror, does your skin give off a bluish undertone? Does your skin often burn in the sun? If you answered yes to these questions, chances are that you have a cool skin tone. Okay, what are the colors that suit cool skin tones? You have colors like gray, brown, burgundy, bottle green, navy, and bolder shades of blue. All these colors will work well as these shades contrast with your skin tone. Okay, so samples of colors that you can choose from are right there. Now, how to know a warm skin tone? First off, you need to ask yourself, have you got a skin that tends to tan rather than toast in the sun? Your veins, are they greenish? Do they have the greenish undertone instead of the blue? Okay. Your complexion, is it more yellowish? Then you probably have a warm skin tone. What are the colors to wear on a warm skin tone? Go for colors like green, brown, mustard yellow, and warm red. Other warm skin tone colors that you can work with are peach, coral, amber, and gold. If you want to use cool colors with your outfit, choose the ones that are warmer, such as olive, orchid, violet red, and moss. You have some sample of colors right there for you to work with. How to know if you have a neutral skin tone? You likely have a neutral skin tone if it's hard to tell whether your veins are blue or green and you can see both colors in your skin's undertone. What colors suit neutrals? The color of your skin is perfectly positioned to marry well with the vast majority of hues and shades, as it doesn't run the risk of being washed out like comparatively pale skin tones. Having a license to wear bold, bright colors like jade green or cobalt blue is great, but be mindful of adding balance to your outfit with a color that will hold the look together. Some of the colors that you can work with are also right there for you to choose from. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you learned anything new from this video presentation. Subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a video. Thank you. See you some other